Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning.
Good morning. Now,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
Ma'am.
Today we are going to start with the lesson Constitutional
Good
Design
morning.
of Civics. Good morning. Of Civics lesson number 2. It is Civics lesson number 2, Constitutional Design. Now, as the word indicates, constitutional design, it is clearly shown that we are going to read about the formation of the Constitution. Yes or no? Yes. Now, as we will read about our constitution, how it was designed. Can anybody tell me first, what do you mean by the word constitution? Constitution, what is constitution?
Ma'am, constitution is the form of parliament in which rules and regulations were made by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Yes. The constitution was formed with by B.R. Ambedkar with the help of many other leaders also. But the word constitution exactly means the set of written rules and regulations. The set of written rules and
Written rules and regulations.
regulations which are obeyed by all, which are obeyed by
Obeyed by.
all, and nobody could change any rule or law. Means it is not easy to change the rules and regulations which are formulated there in the constitution. It can be modified, it can be, means some changes can be made, but not for your own one profit, individual's profit, but for the benefit of all. If some problems are there, then we can change, make modification, but it is not an easy task for the change in the rules and regulations which are already there. Clear? And it cannot be modified for your own profit or for the individual profit or gain, but it should be beneficial for all. Clear? And it is applicable
Hmm.
to all also. Everybody has to obey the rules and regulations. So constitution, now another thing, the constitution is not only, now as we are saying that constitution is a set of written rules and regulations, so it is not only for the nation, not only made for the nation, but everything, like we can say a housing society or a game, any game, we can take game of football. They are all having the certain rules and regulations to follow. Yes or no?
Yes.
If we are living in a housing society, in a society, then there also we have to follow some rules and regulations when we are living over there. Or when we are playing a game, particular game, whether it is cricket, whether it is football, then there also we have to follow certain rules and regulations. Now, for example, we take the game of football. Now, game of football is played with the ball, kicking the ball with the foot. Yes or no? But it is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
it is a rule over there. But when somebody, a player start playing with the hand, picking up that ball and throwing it to the other players, so it will be the rule or regulation. It will not become the that particular game of football. As soon as the player takes the ball in his hand and starts throwing the ball to the other players with the hand, in the game of football, it doesn't remains the game of football anymore. I hope it is clear now. So the constitution
Yes,
means
ma'am.
the set of rules
Ma'am.
and regulations you have to follow anywhere, wherever you go. Means anywhere, whether you are going on a rail, in a railway station, in a railway train or aeroplane, or and whenever you are in on a station also, or a public place also, you have to follow certain rules and regulations. And if you follow those, that is a constitution for you. That is a set of rules and regulations. If you don't follow that, it doesn't make that whatever you are going there, it doesn't gives so much importance. Clear? And it should be followed by all. So like game of football, I had explained it to you. Now, this lesson basically had this lesson constitutional design is basically started with the introduction of South Africa. Introduction of South Africa.
South Africa.
South Africa, when the democratic constitution was framed in South Africa. What were the condition? What was the reason? And South Africa has struggled against the apartheid. Now, what does this apartheid? I will let you know when it will come in the lesson. So South Africa struggled against the apartheid, and Nelson Mandela, we will read about Nelson Mandela over here. Nelson Mandela was one of the most prominent South African nationalists. Clear? I hope
Yes, ma'am.
introduction
Yes,
is the lesson.
ma'am.
Is
Yes,
this enough?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming back to the lesson. I hope the constitution, word constitution is clear now in your mind. What does the word constitution?
Yes, ma'am.
The rules and
Yes,
regulations,
ma'am.
Yes,
not
ma'am.
only for the nation, but anywhere, wherever you go, either even you play game or anywhere, it is the rules and regulations are called as a constitution you have to follow. And now democratic constitution in South Africa. The lesson starts with the democratic constitution in South Africa. I have fought against white domination. Now, and I have fought against black domination. I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together. Means he have cherished. The one who has written this. This is written by the Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela, who has fought with the against the white domination. Nelson Mandela has fought with the white domination when,
White domination.
as you are well aware, that our country before independence was under the white dominion, under the Britishers. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing was with the South Africa also. South Africa was also under the dominion of white. So Nelson Mandela, here we say that Gandhiji was the most prominent, and this Nelson Mandela was also very much means in favor of Gandhism. He was also the follower of Gandhiji. So he also fought in South Africa. Here in India, Mahatma Gandhi fought. There in South Africa, Nelson Mandela fought against white domination. And he's telling that I have fought against white domination. I have fought against black domination also. And I have cherished the ideal of democratic and free society. Means he had given the ideas of the policy of democratic and free society in which all persons will live together in harmony. Harmony means in peaceful way and with equal opportunities. Everybody will be provided equal opportunities. It is an ideal which I hope to live for and to achieve. Now, this is the main target of Nelson Mandela, to achieve the equality for all people. But if needs to be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die. Now, even Nelson Mandela is prepared to die for this ideal. Which ideal Nelson Mandela is prepared to die? Which ideal?
Ma'am, the ideas of a democratic and free society
Very good.
in which all persons live together in harmony and with
Very,
equal
very
opportunities.
good. Very good. Even Nelson Mandela is prepared to die for the democratic ideas, to free the society from the white, that is, and to give the equal opportunity to each and everyone who resides over there in the country. Now, this was Nelson Mandela being
Ma'am,
tried of. Yes, beta. Yashika.
ma'am, what is white domination and black domination?
Okay, white domination means I had already made clear that white domination means the Britishers. Now here the differentiation was made on the basis of skin color. Differentiation was made on the basis of skin color. Now Britishers, the Americans of the white color skin. Clear? Britishers were of the white color skin. That is why it is called as white domination. That means when South Africa was under the Britishers, the white skin colored people. Clear? And here black domination means, black means here they are considered South Africans are considered as black. Clear? Now this was Nelson Mandela being tried of treason. Now Nelson Mandela has given these viewpoints, these ideals was there for Nelson Mandela, and he has been tried for treason. Treason means, we can say, to देशद्रोह. In Hindi we can say देशद्रोही के लिए उनको देशद्रोही का वो दिया गया था by the white South African government. Yes, देशद्रोही कहकर उनको बुलाया गया था. कौन? Who were telling them that treason? प्रेजेंट कौन कह रहा था? व्हाइट साउथ अफ्रीकन गवर्नमेंट. हाँ,
साउथ अफ्रीकन गवर्नमेंट.
व्हाइट साउथ अफ्रीकन गवर्नमेंट. ये वर्ड क्यों यूज किया है? व्हाइट साउथ अफ्रीकन गवर्नमेंट. व्हाइट साउथ अफ्रीकन गवर्नमेंट क्यों यूज किया है बेटा? बिकॉज
Ma'am, because of the word.
अफ्रीका के अंदर ब्रिटिश का रूल
Yes.
था.
the Britishers were ruling on South Africa. Sorry, the Britishers were ruling on South Africa. That is why it is so said as by the South African government. White South African, especially they had donated white, denoted white South African government. That means those who were the Britishers, they had considered them Nelson Mandela as Deshdrohi terrorism. That means uh, the offense of attempting to overthrow the government of the state and which the offender allows allegiance. Means offender, जो offender यहाँ पर कौन था? नेल्सन मंडेला. उन पे ये चार्जेस लगाए गए थे कि वो गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ कुछ प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग कर रहे हैं टू ओवरथ्रो द गवर्नमेंट. Which government they have to, he is planning for to overthrow the Britishers. Clear? So that is why he was considered as treason. That means देशद्रोही के नाम से white South African government बुलाती थी उनको. But for the South African people, the blacks, he was a nationalist. Clear? He was a nationalist, like in India. For Mahatma Gandhi, for our Indian was a nationalist. और ब्रिटिशर्स के लिए क्या थे? वो देशद्रोही थे. Clear? Same thing was there for Nelson Mandela in South Africa. He and the 7 other leaders were sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964. Now, in 1964, he with 7 other leaders were sentenced to life imprisonment. Life imprisonment means उम्र भर की कैद उनको दे दी गई थी 1964 में. By whom? By white South African government.
By British.
हाँ. Why it was given so? For daring to oppose the apartheid regime. For daring to oppose the apartheid regime. अब उन्होंने क्या डेयर किया था? किसका सामना कर रहे थे वो? apartheid regime का. Now what is apartheid? It is a racial discrimination. Apartheid is a racial discrimination, which the term apartheid is given for the racial discrimination. That is discrimination.
Ma'am, national discrimination.
Huh?
Ma'am, please tell once again meaning of
Racial,
Article.
RACIAL, racial. RACIAL, racial discrimination means on the basis of skin color difference was made. So this term was used for the discrimination between white and black, that is between Britishers and the South African people, that is on the basis of skin color. Britishers were of white skin and South African were of the black skin. Now you understood what was apartheid?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
It is the official policy. Apartheid, in simple terms, we can say it is an official policy of racial separation and ill treatment of the blacks. Black के साथ ill treatment हो रहा था. It was a racial policy of separation of white and black. Clear now both these important terms, new terms, terrorism and
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
okay. Now the apartheid regime in his country. Now this, he had barely stood against this regime. This regime means which regime? Against the racial policy of white government. Clear? That is why he with his 7 other leaders was sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964. This was the reason for why. Now he spent the next 28 years in South Africa, most dreaded prison, Robben Island. Now underline this, which was the prison. Where was this prison? Where he was sent? Robben Island. Robben Island में ये जेल था. वहां पर इनको प्लस उनके 7 लीडर्स को भेज दिया गया था. And rest of the 28 years in South Africa, he had to spend in this Robben Island. Clear this paragraph on our intro?
Ma'am, prison means?
Prison means jail. Clear? उनको बंदी
Okay,
बना
ma'am.
करके रख दिया गया था, जेल में डाल दिया गया था. Now, struggle against apartheid. Now, how the struggle against apartheid started means how the struggle, conflict against the Britishers, against the white color people and the black people against this policy of racism, apartheid started. Now, apartheid was the name of the system of racial discrimination. Underline this, what was apartheid? Apartheid was the name of a system of racial discrimination unique to South Africa. स्पेशली कहाँ पर ये यूज हुआ है अपार्थाइड वर्ड? साउथ अफ्रीका में.
South Africa.
The white Europeans imposed this system on the South Africa. Now this system, apartheid system, was imposed by Europeans, that is white Europeans on South Africa. South Africa में ये system imposed किया गया यूरोपियन के द्वारा. During the 17th and 18th century, the trading companies from Europe occupied its armed and forces in the way they occupied India. Now, as I had already made it clear that as we were before independence under the European, under the Britishers were called as European people. So as we were under the Britishers, the European people before independence, same was the condition of South Africa also. So during that 17th and the 18th century, the trading companies from from Europe occupied with arm and forces in the way they occupied India. जैसे उन्होंने इंडिया में ऑक्यूपाई कर लिया था, अपना पावर स्टैब्लिश कर लिया था, वैसे ही सेम with their arms, with their weapons and with their force, military force, they had occupied South Africa also in the way they had occupied India. Now, but unlike India, a large number of whites had settled in South Africa. Now, unlike India, like India only, many white had settled in South Africa and became the local rulers. यहाँ के local rulers बन गए थे. जैसा कि we have already read in the 8th standard and 7th standard that previously in India, Europeans came to India as a trading group for business and slowly they subjugated. उन्होंने एक के बाद एक अपना किंगडम स्टैब्लिश करने के लिए एक के बाद एक जो इंडियन स्टेट्स थी वो अपने अंडर में, अपने पावर में लेनी शुरू कर दी. क्लियर? In the same way happened here also in South Africa and became the local nawabs over there, local rulers over there. And the system of apartheid divided the people and labeled them on the basis of skin color. Now, when these European people came and settled in South Africa, then this racial policy, that is apartheid policy, divided the people between white and black color on the basis of skin. Clear? The native people of
Yes,
South Africa, the native people. Now, who are the native people? The people already living over there. That is the local people of South Africa who were already the South Africans. So the native people of South Africa are black in color. They made up about 3/4 of the population and were called blacks. Now these native peoples who were residing, that is the South African people, they were black in color, and they how much population was residing of these black color people, South Africa, in South Africa? 3/4 people.
3/4 population.
Yes,
3/4
3/4 of population was there of the black. That means 3/4 population in South Africa was of African people. Now, beside these two groups, black and white, इनके अलावा, one was European of white, other was black color, that is South Africans. Beside these two, white and black, another color people were there which were called as mixed races. एक और color third group बताया गया था, that were people of mixed races who were called as colored and people who migrated from India. Especially they were the people who came from India and settled in South Africa. So now three groups were there. One was of white color, that is European. One was of black color skin people, that is Africans. And another was called as colored,
the mix.
colored people, colored group. That means the mixed races were there. जो दूसरी कंट्री से, और जैसे स्पेशली यहाँ पर इंडिया से लोग आकर बैठे थे, तो ये इन लोग को कलर्ड ग्रुप में रख दिया गया था. इन दिस, मिक्स्ड रेसेस वर देयर. क्लियर? The mixed races were there. The colored people, colored people, that means the mixed races were there. जो दूसरी कंट्री से और जैसे स्पेशली यहाँ पर इंडिया से लोग आकर बैठे थे, तो ये इन लोग को कलर्ड ग्रुप में रख दिया गया था. इन दिस, मिक्स्ड रेसेस वर देयर. The white,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, the white rulers treated all non-whites as inferiors. Now it was for the white part, that white rulers, those who were the Europeans, they treated all the non-whites. Non-whites will include what? African people
Some
also and colored people also.
Reasons.
Colored people
colored
also and African people also. So they were treated as inferiors. उनको अच्छी नजर से नहीं देखते थे, inferior, उनको नीची नजर से देखते थे कि they think white rulers thought themselves, white people thought themselves as superior and the other color people as inferior. Clear? उनको बहुत ही नीचा देखते थे. And they were treated also very badly by the white rulers. This inferior class was also treated very badly by the white rulers. The non-whites did not have voting rights. Now this was another thing there residing in this, that the non-whites were not having the voting rights. So voting rights were only given to the white skinned people,
White skin people.
that is European. I hope till here it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the apartheid system was particularly oppressive. Now, apartheid system was particularly oppressive for the black. Oppressive for the black means it was very harsh, very ill-treated treatment was given to the blacks. Clear? So apartheid system was particularly oppressive, means इतना ill treatment होता था blacks के साथ कि they wanted to just go against this policy, but they were not doing so. It was very oppressive. The apartheid system was particularly oppressive for the black. Clear? Means उनको हमेशा black को नीचा दिखाया जाता था हर जगह, उनको एक अलग discrimination के रूप में रखा जाता था. They were forbidden. They were forbidden means they were not allowed. They were not allowed from living in the white areas. They were forbidden from living in white areas, means they were not allowed to live in white areas. They could work in white areas only if they had a permit. अब उनको white areas में काम करने के लिए बुलाया जाता था, but with the due permit. They had to take permission. They were getting the permission, then only they were asked to enter the white areas for the working purpose. Clear? Otherwise they were not allowed to live in white areas, to enter the white area. So this is the condition here in this paragraph, the condition of the black here given. First, they were forbidden. Forbidden means they were not allowed to live in white areas. Second, if at all they had to enter for the work purpose, they had to take the permission. Then third, trains, buses, taxis, hotel, hospitals, schools and colleges, libraries, cinema halls, theaters, beaches, swimming pools, public toilets were all separate for the white and black. So this type of segregation was there. Segregation means separation was there between white and black. All the things, that is public toilets, the public places, even the libraries and all hospital, schools were different, were separate. White were used to travel in separate vehicles and black used to have the separate vehicles, and public places were also separate. So this was the segregation policy. Segregation policy means policy of separation between white and black. I hope words are clear. Segregation, ये words आएंगे आपको.
Yes, ma'am.
वर्ड्स है, आपको अच्छे से आप लिख लो उसको. सेग्रीगेशन है, एपार्थाइड है, ट्रेसन है. So these you should be have.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was called segregation. Now this was called as segregation, means separation between white and black. Now they could not even visit the churches where the white worship. Now उनको अब churches visit करने के लिए, किसको churches visit नहीं कर सकते. Now this is another point. They were not allowed to enter the churches also. Who were not allowed? The black, the African.
Black.
Or which churches? Especially those churches in which whites used to worship.
White worship.
हाँ, जिसमें white worship करते थे लॉर्ड को, उस चर्च में इनको अलाउ नहीं था. तो ये भी एक पॉइंट है. आर यू मार्किंग द पॉइंट्स, ऑल पॉइंट्स?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What all discrimination was there? Okay, now blacks could not form association. Another point here. Black could not form association or protest against the terrible treatment. Now, they were also not allowed to form any type of association, any type of organization, any type of group or protest against the treatment. Terrible treatment was one ill treated. The black was ill treated and उनके खिलाफ वो आवाज उठाना का भी उनको अधिकार नहीं था. They did not have any right to form the association or to raise their voice against this discrimination in their own country against white. I hope till here it is clear, everyone, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this, since 1950, the black, colored, and the Indian fought against the apartheid system. Now, since 1950, the blacks, colored, and Indians, that means all who were non-whites, they fought against the apartheid system. They launched protest marches and strikes. किसी भी तरह उन्होंने marches, protest marches, उनके खिलाफ आवाज उठाई. And this was all done with the help of African National Congress. In short, it is called as ANC. Underline this, very much important, was the umbrella organization. What was ANC? Underline. ANC was an African National Congress, which was an umbrella organization that led the struggle against the policies of segregation. Now, इसके अंडर में, इस organization के अंडर में चुपचाप से black, colored, and Indians, those who were non-whites, they had raised their voice, they had marched the protest and were on strikes against the white people. Clear? Umbrella organization
Yes,
means,
ma'am.
umbrella कैसा होता है? To take the shelter in that, to take the shelter. So who was taking the shelter under this organization? Who was taking the shelter? Black, colored, and
Black
Indian
colored
people.
Black
Indians.
colored.
Those who were not
Colored.
in favor of segregation policy, जो favor में नहीं था segregation policy के. So this is called as umbrella organization, क्योंकि उस वक्त कोई organization बनाने का right नहीं था. This included many worker unions. Now this organization included many worker unions,
Worker
plus
union.
unions and communist parties. And this also included what? Communist party. Underline this.
Communist Party.
Worker unions and Communist Party. Many sensitive whites also joined the ANC. Many sensitive whites, those who did not want this segregation policy. Some white were also there in that. कुछ Europeans भी थे जो ये policy differentiation की नहीं चाहते थे. So they also joined this ANC to oppose apartheid and played a leading role in this struggle. Struggle में उन्होंने as leadership उन्होंने ज्वाइन किया और उन्होंने इस पॉलिसी किन्होंने कुछ व्हाइट्स जो इसके सेग्रीगेशन का पॉलिसी के खिलाफ थे वो भी इनको ज्वाइन कर लिया. नाउ सेवरल कंट्रीज डिड डिनाउंस्ड एपार्थाइड एज अनजस्ट एंड रेशियस्ट. बहुत सारे कंट्रीज भी इसको अनजस्ट रूल मानने लगे, अनजस्ट पॉलिसी मानने लगे, द पॉलिसी अगेंस्ट द रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. तो उनको भी पूरी कंट्री में बहुत सी ऐसी कंट्रीज थी कि उनको भी ये पॉलिसी अच्छी नहीं लगी. बट द वाइट रेसिस्ट गवर्नमेंट कंटिन्यू टू रूल बाय detaining, torturing, and killing thousands of black and colored people. But this white color people government in South Africa continued this policy of torturing, killing thousands of black and colored people in South Africa. I hope till it is here clear, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now in our next class, we will continue with towards a new constitution, this paragraph. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Till
Have a
then,
nice
you
day.
read till here,
Ma'am.
okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day.
ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay,
Have a good day, ma'am.
same to you, beta.